Hey everyone, it's Nancy Ann. Roogity doogity dog is right back there. This is the heaviest and biggest stitch fix I've ever had. I'll explain why in just a minute, so let's get into this. Welcome to my channel. I'm excited that you're here. This is the heaviest, biggest stitch fix I've ever had. As I said on the intro, there's 8 items in here. I don't necessarily like all these items, but I'll tell you why there's 8 items, because in my preview it said I could choose up to 8 items to be sent in my box, and I thought, darn it, I want to know what it feels like to have 8 items in my stitch fix. So I just picked 8 from my preview that I thought were acceptable. So we're gonna get into this. Let's see what we can find in here. I know for sure there are 2 pairs of pants in here. I'm trying to recall what else. No, sorry, 2 pairs of shoes, not pants. I'm trying to recall what else I chose. I had thought of a particular item and now I can't. So we're just gonna find out as we go. So this is what it looks like when it's packed this full. Big old box. All right, I'm gonna put it down on the ground. Okay, there's 2 bundles and 2 pairs of shoes. So first bundle right here. I'm just gonna get everything out. Then we're gonna go through it. Second bundle right there. 2 pairs of shoes in their bags. The only thing I wish is that Stitch Fix would send me boxes because I store my shoes in boxes, but I'm glad that they carry shoes because they have size 11. And then in the box, there is my prepaid mailer where anything that I don't love and don't want to keep goes back in. And there is also my invoice with my stylist note. So I'm going to try and take a look at those prices at the end. I will try and read the stylist note without seeing the prices, which is more difficult since they changed the model and they don't come separate now. So she gives me any instruction on how to put these things together. She probably won't though, because like I said, I just picked 8 random items from my preview. If you want to know how Stitch Fix works, I'm not going to go into it because most of us do. Go ahead and check in the drop-down box below. I also have my link to save, I believe it is $25 off your first fix. And for just go straight to the try-on, I will put the time for you right here. This one might get a little bit longer, so I'm going to kind of rush through taking things out of the bags. But I do like to unbox with you guys because it lets you see close up a lot of the items. It's easier for me when I'm doing the unboxing portion to do this than to do it when they're actually on my body. So first up, we have a pair of shoes, pair of booties actually. It's these ones that are skinny at the top. Little block heel on those. Then we've got a pair of heels. These are by Dolce Vita. Traditionally, these haven't worked well for me. Usually their shoes are pretty uncomfortable. I'm hoping with this block heel, this one will be a little more comfortable. It has a pointed toe. I love the color burgundy. I did get a pair of burgundy strappy heels from them in a fix not long ago. Don't know if I need another pair of burgundy heels, but we'll see. Let's go with the smaller bundle. I have a raincoat. That's what I was trying to recall the item. I've been asking for a raincoat in these boxes for a while. We have a cruise to Alaska coming up. I need a raincoat for that cruise. I'm starting to get clothes that will work like in layers and things and waterproof and that kind of thing. So we'll try that on. And then, there's a cute little black cardigan sweater. This looks like it's pointel knit. Cute, cute. A pair of Democracy jeans. I love the waist in Democracy. Hopefully these will be long enough. Looks like we've got, it might be a boot cut right there. And then there's a little burgundy short sleeve sweater with a square neck. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, I like it. Does not have any ribbing around the bottom. That can sometimes be a good thing. Adorable black Liverpool denim jacket. I have a lot of jackets, but I do not have a black denim. That would be so much fun. Ooh, and it's my birthday month, so I can justify spending a little more. And then we have a pair of Days jeans. I kept a pair of Days jeans from was it a JB Style box? These are cute. They have an unfinished hem down here, a nice wide leg, traditional 5-pocket styling. So there we go. 8 items. Let's get into this. I have a feeling I'm going to be in trouble with this fix. I've already found 3 items I really like right here. I'm holding my microphone because I want to be able to move things on this raincoat around so you can see all of the features. I have been looking for a raincoat ever since the spring. Like I said, we do have a cruise to Alaska coming up next year. This would be very handy, but also where I live in Indiana, it rains a lot. So raincoat is something I have needed for a long time. It has a hood. I'm not going to put it on because it's messing up my hair, but I can tell that it would work. It can come up nice and high here. It does have the button placket as well as a zipper. I love that it cinches at the waist. There are pockets right here that snap. That's great. Keep the rain out of my pockets. And then if I can unzip this with one hand and do a little unsnapping, the tie is here on the inside, so that's nice. That's not going to get all wet either. I love the color. I like the silhouette. It is fitting around my hips. It's comfortable. I think that this one is probably going to stay. All right, I'm going to be back in a second to show you the other two items so that I can clip this microphone to my top. The top is my own. It's by Ever Eve that I had on during the intro when I was unboxing. The jeans are by Days, and I recall they did come in a JB style box. I got a pair of Days jeans, not these. They had studs all over the front. Really unique feature. Those are going to be so much fun during the holidays. I will put that as a thumbnail at the end of this video so you can just push right on that and go straight to that video to see it if you have not already. But let's talk about these. I like these even better than the ones that came from JB style box because these are just a little bit longer. They're working really well with these little pull-on booties. These are a knit type of fabric. The jeans themselves are awesome. Instead of one side seam, they have a panel that kind of goes down the side, a nice wide leg. They fit properly through the waist. Oh, I love these. Now, the Days jeans that I got in the JB style box were just over $100 if I remember correctly. So we'll see how these price out. But so far, we're 3 for 3. I like all of these items. Okay, let's be back. Let's come back and see something else. I just decided to pull the cardigan on with the Days jeans and the boots I already had on because the cardigan's black, the black boots are black, and I felt like they would make a really cute outfit. This is adorable. I did manage to keep Crystal again as my stylist, and she left in her note that she actually watches my videos. So hi, Crystal, and I think that she probably chose all of my items in my preview. Carolyn at Carolyn in Her Clothes has a lot of Stitch Fix intel, and she was saying that it can either be the stylist or the algorithm or a combination of both that helps put your boxes together. And because of a couple of comments that Crystal made, I do think that she put all of the items in the preview for me. This was one of those items, really cute little black cardigan. It has that kind of pointel, I believe this is called a pointel knit where it's opened. A diamond type pattern. I don't know if you saw that at the unboxing. Really cute. It fits me properly through the bust. It's soft, it's lightweight. Love that. Don't know if there's tags sticking out there, but this is adorable. Okay, I'm gonna come back with the Liverpool jeans and a few more pieces. I wouldn't normally wear these shoes with this jacket, but I wanted to get the last 4 pieces done, and I can do it sort of in one fell swoop this way. So we'll just talk about the jacket for now, and then I will take it off. This is by Liverpool. I already have a white Liverpool jacket, and in my last front door fashion, I got a blue denim jacket, but a black one would be a super nice addition to my wardrobe, and I like this one. I know it's going to wash and wear well because of the white one that I already have by Liverpool. So I'll show you the back. It's just kind of a traditional jacket styling, but I wear denim jackets quite a bit. And like I said, having a black one, it's just a classic piece that would last forever. Let me get unbuttoned here. One hand. This is tricky. Okay, I was trying to see on the inside to check and see if there's inside pockets, and there are, so that's very handy. There's 2 of them, one on each side. Now this is kind of awesome. Has a little adjustable button down here. Yeah, this is kind of awesome. I like this. Okay, I'm going to take the jacket off and I'll be back to show you the last 3 pieces. Well, now I'm sure that these burgundy shoes make more sense with the burgundy sweater and the Liverpool jeans. I like all three of these pieces. I am so in trouble. And I thought that these pieces weren't related when I picked them out of the preview, but I actually unintentionally created a bit of a mini capsule wardrobe here. So maybe I should be a stylist. Let's just start at the top and talk about this really lightweight short sleeve sweater. So cute. Don't need more sweaters. I do like my short sleeve ones and wear them a lot. This one is a little bit of a puff sleeve. It's super comfortable. Really like this. Here's the back of everything. Take a look. Okay, and now we're moving on to the Liverpool jeans. So Liverpool, the waist on them is always great because they've got this elastic that's built in. I really like that. It makes it easier for me to get them to fit in both the waist and the hips. I'm liking the wider leg these days. I'll take a look at the footage and see how I feel about them, you know, being a little tighter on the thigh, but I don't think they're a bad look. They're long enough. That's cool. These are great length for both heels and flats. And then the shoes are by Dolce Vita. Dolce Vita normally hurt my feet a little bit. At first, they hurt a little bit. They were a little tight, especially on my right foot. But as I've been walking around, they're loosening up and they're kind of fitting me. So I don't know. I think these would work for me too. And these are a comfortable heel with that block heel. They just feel more stable. But I like that they have a little bit of a shiny finish to them. Yeah. Oh boy. Okay. This is going to be tough. I think I like everything. So let's pull it in close. I'm going to look at prices and we'll see what I might keep. It's time to get into prices. I think this could get real expensive, although with Stitch Fix, if you keep all 5 items when there were 5 items in a box, you save 25% off your whole purchase. My understanding, and I'll see when I open this, is that now if you keep 5 or more items, you keep 25%. Let's open up and see what we got here. Oh, it's not as bad. Oh, wow. This isn't as bad as I thought it would be. I mean, it's expensive, but it's not super bad. So we've got the Liverpool Classic Jean Jacket in black, $109. That's typical price retail. I like that. Would like to keep it. We've got the Beacon Morrigan Puff Sleeve Knit Top in Burgundy, size large. This is only $39. I would like to keep this. The DV by Dolce Vita Gale Heel in Burgundy, size 11, $60. That's a great price. I would like to keep those. This is the last box of my birthday month, by the way, so I don't mind splurging a little bit. I just don't know if I can keep the whole thing. Then we've got the Democracy Catherine Absolution Itty Bitty Boot. I know what these are called. I've tried very similar, if not these exact jeans on before, in indigo, size 12, $88. These are good. I like them. The thing is, I'm gonna bring it down to actual need and uniqueness, and I have jeans that are real similar to this, if not these exact same jeans. I don't think I have these ones, but I have similar jeans in my closet, so I think these will probably go back. Then we had the Letty and Me Jackie Button Front Pontel Cardigan in black, size large. This is only $49. This is so cute. You know, I have a black cardigan I love already, and it's also from Stitch Fix, so I think that's going to go back just because I don't need another black cardigan. Do love my cardigans though. Then there's the Violet and Red Clarissa Booty in black, size 11. That's my big foot size. And this is $89. That's a good price on those, I think. Do they zip down the back? No, they don't. They do have that contrasting stripe. But I don't think that these are anything super special on me, so those, I'd like to keep them, but I already have a couple of pairs of black booties, so those will probably go back too, but they're fabulous. They were really comfortable. Then the Days Far Out high-rise wide leg jean in indigo, size 12, 118. I love these. These are unique with that double stitch down the front and the side, kind of. It's like a side panel, and that goes on either side. I love these. I would really, really like to keep those. And then the Market and Spruce Irina Lightweight Utility Raincoat in dark gray. I loved this color too, size large. Oh, this is $78. Wow, I thought this would be a lot more than that because of the features on it, but I just saw it's a buy all discount, so I would have to keep all 8 pieces, not just 5. So that answers that question. To save 25%, which would take $157.50 off of the $630 total, bringing me down to $472.50. Did not pay a styling fee because I still have the style pass. So that would, yeah, so that would be it, $472.50. I don't think for all 8 of these pieces that's bad at all. So now what it comes down to is the 2 pieces that I'm pretty, well, I think there's 3 I'm pretty sure I would want to return. So we've got the booty at $89, and these denim jeans at $88, and this cardigan at $49. I'll be back in a second. Let me add up. So the total for the 5 pieces I would like to keep is $404. So the total of the buy all 25% discount was $472.50. That's a $68.50 difference. I'd rather save that money and send those things back. I'm going to really think about this though, because I think there are I probably really don't need this. That'd take another $40. And so now we've got over $100 difference in the buy all discount for all 8, or me just keeping 4 pieces. So I'm gonna think through this. I'd love to know what you guys think down below. I think this is one of the best fixes I've ever had, and I can't believe I actually liked all 8 pieces. That's pretty amazing. If you could do me a super quick favor and squish that like button, helps the video a bunch. Subscribe if you like all sorts of different types of unboxings, mostly fashion. And if you would leave me a comment below, it's so much fun interacting with you guys. We will see you on the next video. Bye-bye, and be blessed. So, all right, so I think we're recording now. No, pushing the button doesn't. I'm gonna have to reach up to the screen to turn it off.
Yeah, for some reason, I don't know.
All right, well,
yeah, it's play it back yourself, make sure it's recording right, so.
Okay. Ha! I got sound. Okay, I can record now. Woohoo! You're not here. I got sound. Oh, itchy nose. Okay. $25 off my first fix. What was I going to say? $25 off your first fix. Oh, I know. Many technical difficulties with this video. And then the Liverpool jeans. I don't know why I have that. I can just put this on me. Okay, we're going to start that again. And the dog is stretching. Hi, buddy. Okay, here we go. What did I say before? Oh, that didn't make any sense at all. Oh boy, we have plenty of bloopers for this one.